Which antiviral medication works by blocking the activity of reverse transcriptase? Option 1 ritonavir, option 2 tenofovir, option 3 raltegravir, and option 4 nelfinavir. So basically in this question they're asking us about the mechanism of action of these drugs, which is based on inhibiting the enzyme reverse transcriptase. So reverse transcriptase is an enzyme which is used by the virus to replicate. It helps to convert their RNA into DNA, which helps in viral replication. So we need to look out for a drug which inhibits this enzyme, thereby preventing the conversion of RNA into DNA, thus ultimately preventing the virus to replicate. So there are various antiviral drugs which are based on which are basically classified based on their mechanism of action. As you can see here, we have entry inhibitors, protease inhibitors, integrase inhibitors, and reverse transcriptase inhibitors. So there's a classification for antiretrovirus drugs. Okay, now they're asking us about the reverse transcriptase inhibitors. So here we have two types of them. Number one, we have nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, and number two, we have non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. So this is a list of the drugs in each of the categories, and amongst the option, if you see, tenofovir is one of the drugs which you can find in the nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor category. Okay, so this is going to be our answer, but let's have a look at the other drugs also in which category they are in. So option number 1, that is ritonavir. Ritonavir falls under the category of protease inhibitors. It acts by inhibiting the enzyme protease. Next, raltegravir. Raltegravir again is an integrase inhibitor. It has a different mechanism of action. And the last drug, that is nelfinavir. This is again a protease inhibitor. So the remaining 3 drugs are not reverse transcriptase inhibitors. They have different mechanism of actions. They are protease and integrase inhibitors. So tenofovir is the correct answer. Now let's get some more details about tenofovir. So tenofovir is abbreviated as TDF, which is tenofovir disoproxyl fumarate. This is a monophosphate nucleotide. Okay, this is not a nucleoside. In the option, in the category here, they've mentioned nucleoside, but this is a nucleotide. Okay, this is active against hepatitis B as well as HIV, both. This inhibits the HBV and DNA polymerase as well as HIV reverse transcriptase. So this acts by inhibiting HBV DNA polymerase, and also it inhibits HIV reverse transcriptase, which is asked in the question. Okay, it also gets incorporated into the viral DNA to cause chain termination. So tenofovir is the first line drug which is used for treating hepatitis B. It also is used for treating HIV nowadays. So this nucleotide is active against both HIV and HBV, and because of its good tolerability, tenofovir is now included as the first line anti-HIV regimen prescribed by NACO and WHO. So this is a very important drug for antiretroviral therapy. All right. So tenofovir is the antiviral medication which works by inhibiting the activity of reverse transcriptase. This is a single liner direct MCQ. So you should not miss your chance over it. In case if you still have any other doubt, please do reach out to us. Thank you for watching this video.